Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So here is a question in which it's given 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x plus 1 plus 5 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 775. And we have to find out the value of x. And the options are A2, B4, C5 and D8. Second question is 5 to the power x plus 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 5 to the power x is equal to 5. And the options are A0, B minus 1, C2 and D minus 2. So let's see how to solve these questions. So we have 5 to the power x plus 5 to the power x plus 1 plus 5 to the power x plus 2 is equal to 775. So on taking 5 to the power x common, we will get 1 plus 5 to the power 1 plus 5 square is equal to 775. This will give 5 to the power x into 31 is equal to 775, which will give 5 to the power x is equal to 775 divided by 31, that is 5 to the power x is equal to 25, or 5 to the power x is equal to 5 square. On comparing the powers, we will get x is equal to 2. So in the given options, option A is correct. You can substitute this value in the above equation and see whether this equation is satisfied or not. Now second question is 5 to the power x plus 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 5 to the power x is equal to 5. This is 5 to the power x, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5, or 5 to the power x into 5 is equal to 5, which is 5 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 5. This can be written as power 1. So on comparing the powers, we will get x plus 1 is equal to 1, which on solving will give x is equal to 0. So in the given options, option A is correct. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for more such questions. Thanks for watching.